Hi there, welcome to Watercolor Sketching to Garden Journaling, my new online workshop. Hi, I'm Marla Bagetta. I've been an artist and art instructor for over 30 years. I designed this workshop to help you get started drawing and painting, maybe for the first time, or to help you finally dig into a sketchbook habit that you've always promised yourself you'd do one day. We'll focus on a subject that artists have long been inspired by, the garden. Gardens are a wonderful subject to help you start up a sketching practice. Our garden can be your backyard, pots on a patio, a friend's vegetable patch. It doesn't have to be complicated, and I'll help you to see even a humble garden as a palette of subjects to choose from. If you've ever told yourself that you couldn't draw or paint because you don't have talent, I'm here to tell you this is the biggest myth about art making, and I hear it over and over again. I hear it from people who absolutely yearn for a creative outlet in their life. It's their heart's desire. You don't need talent, you need eyes, hands, and an open heart. Rumi said, "Let yourself be silently drawn by the strange pull of what you really love. It will not lead you astray." With a few simple materials, some that you might already have, no intimidating materials list here. You can get going making art and do it right in your backyard with no fuss or mess, painting the fascinating subject of the garden. During this online workshop with over 9 hours of video and a 70-page illustrated study guide, I'll take you step by step through basic color essentials, then I'll show you how to paint simple subjects like a humble daisy and make them into special sketchbook pages. You really don't need to go any further than your backyard or patio to find something to paint. I'll show you how to work from a photo and from life, how to design your pages, and how to get into the sketchbook habit. So before you know it, you'll be creating journals, putting memories down on paper, leaving a legacy, and maybe even finding your inner artist. I narrate every demonstration, so you'll know exactly what I'm doing, and you can follow along, then practice the techniques on your own. You'll also be approved to join the Watercolor Sketching Facebook group, where you'll find a friendly community of artists who are also taking the course to keep you motivated and inspired along the way. You'll have 24-hour access to all the videos. You can work at your own pace, safely from the comfort of your own home, from any device, for a seamless and modern online experience. We pride ourselves in top quality video, instruction, and customer support. So join me now for Watercolor Sketching to Garden Journaling.